one realization was how we hold on to things from our past experiences and in the form of emotions like disturbance, anger, frustration, and how we can release them and just enjoy our life.
Hi everybody, my name is Nagisha, and what I learned from today's session is that if you can smile through life, half your worries will be over.
Hi, my name is Nishita. I'm really glad. Thank you for the session for today. Very, very different experience for me personally. I've never attended a session like this. Everyone is so happy, so joyous, and end of the day, I'm feeling very relaxed and very happy to be here. Thanks.
My name is Mahindra, and smiling was there quite a bit, but आज 100% smiling से no, I'm getting that energy back. Thank you.
We can see and chanting through that. So आज का जो session था वो actually I got to know about the true love, loving yourself, and वो जो mirror वाला part था, I could see something in myself, that confidence, that you are enough वाला जो एक चीज़ था that I could literally feel in myself. Thank you, sir.
My name is Gopal Sutanya. I came here not to learn anything. In fact, today's Dia message also I wrote that I'm coming to this one-day workshop not to get anything, not to learn anything, just to be together with everyone. Because I one of this said in the beginning of the session that nothing new to learn. Do everything theoretically, but be again and again in the same atmosphere, listening again and again the same thing, hundreds of times, thousands of times, hundreds of thousands of times. It makes a difference in me, and that is why I keep.
And Darshan Desai, ISP trainer since last 24 years. So when I came here, I had a lot of evidence decided in the morning. In fact, Manoj ji ko 2 दिन पहले सब मैंने भेजा था, sets love and all. I wanted him to go through and really message me, if you can come. So I said, okay. So I came with an open mind and I was expecting he would jayega, but what a very different insight, a different perspective is what I would love to share. And the smiling part is something beautiful that touched how we can do it so beautifully and be in that playful state and enjoy life every moment. Thank you. That's what I bought, and I always, enjoy that life. But एक जब मनोज जी ने बोला ना कि जोक बोले थे कोई से अभी बोले क्या कर रहे हो पूरी जिंदगी को मजाक पर देते रहे.
My name is Manoj Niarani. So self-love. So what I got today is that focusing on myself, forgiving people, not holding at things too much, and taking care of my body physically and also mentally, doing meditation minimum 3 times in a day. And I want to love myself more and more. Thank you so much.
My name is Anand Dilbrikar. I'm so glad, Manuji, I came to this session. I learned how to sort of let go of a lot of things, and to be happy and smile is doing absolutely nothing.
Jaydeep, I'm Sushma Ishwakarma. I've made some points which I don't want to miss. When I came here, I was little late. And then when the session that was going on, immediately I calmed down क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था पहले मैं बहुत लेट आई हूँ, मैंने बहुत मिस किया है. और जो सेशन में जो पर्टिकुलर चीज़ चल रही, it was all about dropping whatever was going on पीछे background में. So I made a good decision to come here and join in spite of being late. That was my first realization. Second, last full week there was something which was not my way at all. I was doing layaway, I was trying to get rid of all those things, but कुछ चीज़ें नहीं हो रही थी. और जब यहाँ पे आने के बाद में जो यहाँ पे बताए गए टेक्निक्स या एक्सरसाइजेस किए, सो दिन पहले बार जब पूछा गया कि अभी अपने 4 घंटे में क्या सीखा, तो आई रोट दिस रियलाइजेशन कि मैंने पूरा जो बैगेज था वो मैंने ड्रॉप कर दिया. एंड आई वॉज इन द मोमेंट एंड आई स्टार्टेड एंजॉयिंग द एंटायर क्लास. सो दिस वॉज अनदर रियलाइजेशन. Then we accept, smile, pass it on. इसका reinforcement हो गया. And गुरुजी के टॉक से एक बहुत बड़ा चीज़ पता चला, वो ये कि fear of rejection जो था, it was because of that one sentence, I am not loved. ये realization बहुत deep था कि back of the mind, मतलब ये इतना base इसका इतना गहरा था, आई एम नॉट बीइंग लव्ड, ये कभी नहीं आएगा, लेकिन रिजेक्शन जो है वो हर बार आता है। तो ये इस वजह से ये नहीं पता चला, ये आज पता चला। और गुरुजी के टॉक से एक बात और पता चली, पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ, लाइफ इज़ अ जोक एंड इट्स फॉर एंजॉइंग।